If you've ever bought a house, or if you've even thought of buying a house, you know, it's a complicated process that can take a lot of time. But imagine if you could close on a house in minutes instead of months. I'm Tammy Camp, CEO of Stronghold, and this is your insider's guide to the future of real estate. Today, we're exploring how smart contracts can make buying a house easier, faster, and dramatically less stressful. In the current home buying process, you have to deal with multiple intermediaries, a maze of emails, delays, wire transfers, and approval after approval after approval. It's a legacy system that hasn't changed much in decades. Enter smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements written in code and built on a blockchain. They're not just digital documents. They're automated, transparent, tamper-proof systems that guarantee everything gets done exactly as agreed at the moment conditions are met. First, the buyer and seller agree to terms that are built into the smart contract, including escrow conditions. The smart contract can automatically verify critical information like land surveys, title validity, and property records. Then, when all conditions are met, funds held in digital escrow, title verified as clear, land surveys confirmed accurate, the transaction executes automatically. Funds transfer, title clears instantly, and ownership is secured. All in one seamless transaction. No third parties delaying the process. No ambiguity about what happens next. But smart contracts aren't just a faster way to buy a home, they're fundamentally smarter. They can integrate with property databases and verification services because when you remove the friction and automate verification, this increases transparency, reduces human error, gives everyone involved a dramatically better experience. But let's be clear, this isn't getting rid of professionals like real estate agents or lawyers, it's elevating them. Rather than wasting more time and money chasing paperwork, they can focus on strategy, negotiation, and better service. You know, the things we as humans are meant to excel at. Smart contracts and blockchain already have the ability to turn home buying into a smooth, secure, near-instant transaction. So if you're thinking about buying or selling a property, imagine if the hardest part wasn't all the paperwork and legal red tape, but picking the right paint color in your kitchen. Because with smart contracts, a better future for real estate is on its way. Want to stay ahead of the fintech curve? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. From blockchain to banking, we're breaking down the technologies reshaping finance in ways that actually matter to you. Have a fintech topic you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments below. And as always, stay strong.